So you can see this is so this development environment is all built in JavaScript as well, and so you can kind of see the performance aspects. Okay, so I've created a couple of tabs here, and now I've got my component palette on the left. So now I can just drag and drop components onto the page and start building out my application. So this is going to be a customer list. So one thing that you'll see here is that, which again is a very unique concept, is we've got a real WYSIWYG environment, right? This is as WYSIWYG as it gets. We're actually running your application in the design mode. So what you're seeing is really what you're going to get. It even goes so far, which I'll show you in a second, even goes so far as to show you the live data that you're interacting with is also displayed here in the design time. So you're seeing all of it live. Okay, so now I want to get some data into this application, and like I said, there's basically two ways to do that. One way is I've got some existing REST services that are going to provide the data, and then I can basically wire the UI up to those REST services. The second way is I have some data that doesn't exist yet, and I want to define that data as part of my application. I'll do them in that order. So the first thing is I've got some data that's provided from REST services that are available to me coming from Oracle Sales Cloud. So if I go here and into the menu and go to our application services, then I can see that I have the option to get to a catalog here. Now when I hit the catalog, this is actually going to call, in Oracle SAS, this calls some describe endpoints, and it returns to me the list of services that are available in that SAS instance. And by the way, this is live, right? So this is actual, like getting data from SAS, from the Sales Cloud. So I see all the services that are returned by the Sales Cloud instance that I have access to. And I can select, so the customer information is from a service called Accounts. And so I'm going to select that service and add a reference to it in my application. So this basically creates a reference to that REST service. I can, at this point, if I need to see more information, I can drill down and get information about the different endpoints that are exposed. It's real, right? It looks complicated enough to be a SAS service. And I can even drill down and see from the various operations that are exposed. I can see what's exposed here. I can even see what is the URL that's going to be invoked, and I can test this just to make sure that this is getting the data that I expected to get. Right? So I see here the JSON response showing me the list of customers. Now I can further refine this if I